Hello, in this video today we're looking at how to create a new document on our Ti-nspire calculator and how to graph a function. For our example, we are going to be using example 4 from chapter 3, section 3 of Big Ideas Algebra 1. In example 4, we're looking at graphing the function f of x equals 2x plus 5. So going to our calculators, we are going to be using a new document to graph. The scratchpad graphing is good for some quick math, but the graphing option under new document has more options in there, and it's a great way to save your work as well. So there's two ways to do this. You can either click new document and then add graphs, so that's one option, or you can use the shortcut from your home screen of this little graphing icon down below. There's all these different icons, and the graphing one is the one with this little U-shaped graph on it. So if I click that, it'll add the graph page into my new document. Notice when I did that, since I'd already had a graph, there was another page added to this document, which can be helpful. You can save multiple pages in multiple areas of saving your work. All right, so our function today, reviewing what our function was, is 2x plus 5. f of x equals 2x plus 5. Notice the f of x is already entered in there, and when I created this new document page, it already brought up this graphing bar. If for some reason the graphing bar doesn't appear, you can hit the tab button, and it will either make it disappear or make it reappear. It already appeared on mine. So I'm typing in 2x plus 5, and I'm going to hit enter, and there's my line. Very nice line, quite basically done. Other things that you can do, if things to know, again, if you hit tab, it will make the graphing bar area up here appear and disappear. When you already have a function entered, if you hit tab again, it'll bring up another space to enter another function. If you arrow up or down, notice my arrows over here, it'll bring you to a bunch of empty spots. f1 of x, the first f of x, was 2x plus 5. If I want to edit that for some reason, if I realize, oh, I actually wanted minus 5 or minus 6, it was a different problem, I can go ahead and enter that. Or if I realize, oh my goodness, I typed negative 6 and I really meant plus 5, I can go in and edit it in there. Other troubleshooting possibilities, if you go and hit tab and you don't see the f of x option, what you need to do is you need to go to menu, under graph entry edit, choose function. So for some reason you may have used this page to do some other graphing situation, or someone else may have been using the calculator, but we want the function option, so you can go ahead and click. Again, if you don't see it, if you don't see f of x, menu, 3, function, and that will take care of that. When you're done graphing, you do menu, actions. Under actions we have delete all, and I'll say yes, and my window is now clear.